This is a video walkthrough tour of 6050 North Calle Mio in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo with an attached 2-car garage. This stunning property is located in the heart of Phoenix. It features a spacious living room with a cozy fireplace, a large picture window, and a sliding glass door, bringing in abundant natural light along with views of the backyard. The kitchen and dining area are equally impressive, featuring ample cabinet space for all your storage needs, a charming garden window, and direct access to the backyard, making it both functional and charming. The desert landscaped backyard is a true oasis with an expansive covered patio, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the beautiful surroundings. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The 2 generously sized bedrooms offer both privacy and a tranquil retreat for ultimate relaxation. And the primary suite is a luxurious space that includes an ensuite bathroom with a step-down shower, as well as a separate vanity area for added convenience and functionality. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Inquire today.